Rwangirwo kadiendo rekete mbongo mwanya kendo otira Kenya beno karibu kwana kaita kaka THIGUNKU. Hii ni ntumiri kuma kiri ministry Ukaria bondene na wathani bo matura. Gaja bakirombo wikare maturene no tira makarika ya wagagia ni AKENYA. Antone Kadenya aina atatonkoloki.
Kagita kala Kenya badite na mbele kwibangane okungwira THIGUNKU ya Christmas THIGUNKU ile thagiro na mauntu maingi thirikari gwitukira ministry awekere tongeretu no waziri mugwatiri kire ministry no na ule no munene wa mawaziri Musalia Mudavadi lulu ni bangane tukugira Kenya bena wekere abwa kwigana kagita gaka na mekare kanome kuma wiki nae maketha nila na njara ndito ya watho.
Approach the festive season and prepare for the opportunities and challenges of the coming year. The Ministry of Interior and National Administration wishes to reaffirm our commitment to ensuring the safety and security of all Kenyans and residents within our borders. The government upholds the rule of law and ensures that any criminal acts are dealt with firmly and in accordance with the law.
Musalia Mudavadi lewa kilo ya Kenya kuwatana na itengo ja GWIKARIA kenda gutigira mikale kanome kuma wiki nae ni makumenyeka.
To foster a culture of security, we call upon citizens to partner with law enforcement agencies, reporting criminal activities and suspicious behavior, and providing information to local authorities so that we can make a significant difference in building a safer society.
Kulinga na ministeri na GWIKARIA wantu kujitukitani kuthirito kwina kunyia kome kale kama wiki na itawamba na wendi bwanda oja kulebia aidho kagita gaka ni kuthirito kwina ongere kubwa inyange bwa into jia mainya mastima untu bula bwa thirito bokiangaratani otungata bwa mainya mama mekale kama 14 makiandikithagwa.
There is a decrease in general crime, including offenses such as robbery, break-ins, stock theft, vehicle thefts, dangerous drugs, traffic offenses, and corruption cases. However, there are increased incidences of vandalism targeting electric power transmission infrastructure, resulting in power disruptions, affecting service delivery, and thus causing economic loss.
Waziri Musalia Mudavadi akilogia Kenya KWIMENYEERA barabarani kagita gaka kenda kwebana mpanga jametino amwe nogu Musalia ni alute polisi ba barabara amwe na NTSA gutigira mawatho monde ma barabara ni makuthingatirwa bula kubatelie.
The month of December normally records the highest number of fatalities. I therefore urge Kenyans in this festive season, especially public service vehicles, drivers, driving on long-distance trips, to be careful and drive safely. Increased police presence and patrols along major highways, both day and night, to monitor and enforce compliance with traffic laws.
Kuma mji muneno Nairobi, Beta Antone, Rangi wa KWIRA.